Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Here is a question on refraction. A ray of light falls on a glass slab. Draw the ray diagram and mark the lateral displacement. Let's look at the answer. Let's trace the path of light through a rectangular glass slab. Consider a rectangular glass slab placed in air. First, draw a normal N at the point of incidence on the first surface. An incident ray falls on the surface at an angle of incidence I. Inside the glass, which is a denser medium, the ray bends towards the normal. This is the refracted ray. Now, at the second surface, draw another normal N dash. The ray emerges into air, a rarer medium, bending away from the normal. This is the emergent ray. Note that the angle of emergence, E, is equal to the angle of incidence, I. This means the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. If we extend the original path of the incident ray forward using a dashed line, we can see the shift. The perpendicular distance between the incident ray's original path and the emergent ray is called lateral displacement. Thank you. Happy learning.